very much for the support. Hope you guys doing well. So today I'm here to prepare a Spanish omelette with a twist. I call it a vegetable omelette, but it's actually came from a Spanish omelette. So during the COVID time and everything, we need to have healthy food. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get started. Alright guys, pan's on the flame. So I'm not going to deep fry. So a Spanish omelette, we usually deep fry potatoes and onions, but I'm just going to saute. So I'm just doing a healthy twist for it. So I've put olive oil now, and I've got my ingredients, thinly sliced potatoes. It's one big potato. And I've got some sliced carrots. It's just one carrot. And then that's 2 zucchinis sliced and 1 medium-sized red onion sliced. So I'm going to add the potatoes. So what we need to achieve is we need to make sure all the veggies are caramelized and they're turned into a golden brown. So first I'm going to add potatoes, and then at the last I'm going to add zucchini. Zucchini is going to cook very fast. I'm adding some red onions now. So we just need to ensure potatoes and onions are turned into golden brown. Add carrots. So keep folding and mixing, guys, so you don't want it's like burnt on the one side and then not cooked on the other side. So as you can see, they're turning golden brown now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the zucchini soon. There you go. Zucchini's been added. So we're just going to cook for a few more minutes. Zucchini cooks very fast because they're very soft. So I'm just going to make sure that all the veggies are caramelized to the right consistency. As you can see, guys, nicely cooked and caramelized. So I'm going to switching off the flame. And what we're going to do is we're going to just add this to the eggs. I've got my eggs ready. So I took 4 to 5 eggs, 5 eggs now. It's up to you guys. And then I'm just going to add my sauteed vegetables directly. So I'm not going to beat my eggs. What I'm going to do is once I add the veggies, I'm just going to fold the eggs and the veggies. You don't need to beat the eggs, guys. So I'm just going to keep folding. You can add salt and pepper at this stage, but what I want to do is I'm going to do it once I put it in the pan. I pour the mixture in the pan. Just more twist, chop parsley. And I'm adding cheddar cheese, grated cheddar cheese. It's going to help us to make our omelette a bit fluffy. So I'm just going to fold it. What we're going to do now is, guys, once we thoroughly folded and mixed it, we're just going to leave this mixture for a couple minutes. So the reason we left so it's not too runny. As you could see, the mixture is a bit tightened up. So it's ready to go onto the pan now. I've just greased the pan and then pouring the mixture onto the pan. So what we need to do is make sure that the omelette is spread thoroughly and then just cook for 3 to 4 minutes each side. And keep checking on the edges if it is getting burned. So salt and pepper for the taste. I'm just going to add now. You can either add it while folding the veggies and the eggs, guys. It's up to you. So as you can see, just ensure that it doesn't get burned. So the flame is also medium. It's gonna 3 to 4 minutes. It should be cooked, as you could see. Now you just need to flip it. So I'm using a plate and then turn upside down and then flip it. Voila. And slide the omelette. Don't worry about the wedges, guys. You just tuck them back underneath. That's it. And then we make sure that we cook the other side 2 to 3 minutes as well, and we should be done. As you can see, it's nice and golden brown one side, so you cook the other side as well, golden brown. There you go. It's all done and dusted. We just need to make sure to check it. So if you press with your fingers, you feel like it's bouncy. Also, you can use a skewer or a knife, poke it and see there's nothing sticking to your knife. Done. And it's ready to serve. Just gonna do a bit of garnish now. I've got some cherry tomatoes sliced into half, nicely decorated, just to look eye appealing. And then garnish with the chopped parsley, and that should be ready to serve. There you go, chopped parsley. And I'm gonna cut it and show you the sliced omelette. I'm just gonna give it a try. Slice them. There you go. As you can see, all the vegetables nicely done, cooked. All right. All right, guys. Spanish omelette, aka vegetable omelette with a twist, done and dusted. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I appreciate it.